It's a new 2019 Cadillac XT4. Cross out your old expectations of crossovers. The XT4 is a moving statement of big utility and plentiful features in a compact package. It comes nicely equipped with features you love. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, smart device navigation, doors and push-button start proximity key, driver memory seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Call us today at 1-866-389-4996.